Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Every day, we live with sound. Drivers check with their ears if a vehicle is coming on the way. Dancers simply can dance with sound, but without it, I don't think so. Lives are even endangered when sound didn't exist in the world. Here is a short film of someone that abuses it and losing a chance of hearing a sound.
Ano yung pula? Ano yung pula?
Nawawala yung ano yung source.
Ilang page ka? 12 naman, ba't 12?
May kasama na yung introduction. Added by ano ba?
Ako yung mga 8 lang din. 8
Is this thing on? Word. So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep
ano ba tol? Ay, hindi pa boy eh. So kasing pinapakinggan mo.
Lean on it, eat me some 501.
Malakas tol. Di mo na yung pinagkakaabalahan mo tol? Oo nga eh. Wala kasing magawa eh. Hindi ka na lang mag-review tol sa finance natin. Sa mga topic na mahihirap. Ganun, hindi na nga makapasitol eh. Mapasa ka ba? Hindi nga makapasi. Paano? Puro bagsak naman yung quiz eh. Exam. Halos lahat na nga eh. Project pa natin. Iba pala natin nagagawa. Ano nga? Ano pinagkakabalan mo yan? Ito, puro ganito na. Patugtog, patugtog, patugtog. Wala nang magawa eh. Ito ka na lang ng patugtog. Kasi ikaw tol, inaabuso mo naman kasi paggamit niyang iPad mo eh. Ito mo tol, pagkatapos niyang taon pa tol, mabibingi ka na. Lakas-lakas na tol. Pakinggan mo. Rinig ko pa nga tol kahit nasa ano eh. Malayo na ako eh. Uy.
And I don't even care.
Laboy, ito na kasing ginagawa ko. Hayaan mo na kasi. Tol ka rin, kakain na ako. Kaya ako tol.
Done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
Young and wild and free.
So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Watched it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking gray hair.
It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my god, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Dripping in paint. Up front, full course, like a leaf, put the wheat in.
Ay no, 20.
Yung sa man?
Thank you po. Okay, salamat.
I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday.
Ang ating paglalakbay patungo sa pag-unawa sa larangan ng sigaw. Sana nag-enjoy tayong lahat. Okay? So, I wish you all the best. PSE 2-1 sa Managan. So, galingan nyo sa studies nyo. Okay? And I hope lahat kayo ay maging success. Ayun.
Hindi lang ang kanina sana
about you, talking about our experiences. So, baunin nyo lahat ng napag-aralan natin. Okay? Saan man kayo pumunta. So, yun. God bless you and see you around.
Hindi ko kasi narinig eh.
Di ba narinig ko? Last nakabigay ka ba, tol? Makikinig ka naman.
Hindi nga po eh. Hindi ko narinig.
Di kita malimutan sa mga gabing nagdaan. Ikaw ang pangarap, nais kong makamtan. Sa buhay ko ay ikaw ang kahulugan. Pag-ibig ko'y walang kamatayan. Ako'y umaasa muli kang mahagkan.
See? Lives are even endangered if you can't hear a sound. Thanks for watching.